Hey folks, Dr. Gerstmar from Aspire Natural Health here. Wanted to talk about one of my favorite herbal substances. So, curcumin, we use it all the time, both with people with digestive issues and people with autoimmunity. Now, in the same way that a lot of medical doctors would like to see statins added to the water because they believe there's so many benefits, I often joke curcumin is one that I would love to see added to the water because it has so many benefits. Anti-inflammatory, it has anti-cancer properties, it is just a gem of the herbal world. Now, curcumin is one piece of turmeric, the herb. People know it's the yellow spice that's in curries, for example. Turmeric is one component, and so we can extract and then concentrate and get a very strong product. So, interestingly, noticed some news stories that in Italy, they've seen about 10 cases so far of hepatitis that they have linked to curcumin, which is absolutely fascinating because one of the things that we use curcumin to treat is hepatitis. So, wanted to talk for just a minute. People are a little concerned. Wow, could I be causing hepatitis with curcumin? Now, there are three main reasons that people get hepatitis. The first common reason is from alcohol or drinking, alcoholic hepatitis. So I guess I should back up for a second. Hepatitis, the itis means inflammation. So whenever you see itis at the end of a medical word, it means inflammation. Bursitis would be inflammation in the bursa or the little pads around joints. And hepatitis, the itis inflammation, the hepatic or hepa is liver. So hepatitis simply means inflammation of the liver. Again, there are three main reasons. First is alcoholic, so alcoholic hepatitis. The second is viral hepatitis. So for a lot of people, when they say hepatitis, that's what they mean. There's hepatitis A, hepatitis B, and hepatitis C, all different kinds of viruses that can affect the liver. And the third would be fatty liver, also known as non-alcoholic hepatitis. And the most common reason for that would be diabetes or obesity. Okay, so those are the three main reasons that people normally get hepatitis, and curcumin can be incredibly helpful in all of those. In fact, just had a gentleman come in the other week with fatty liver, and we actually gave him some curcumin to help while we work on diet changes and dealing with a number of other factors to address the underlying issues. So we have this case where there are 10 confirmed cases in Italy of hepatitis that looks like it is because of curcumin. And so we ask, wow, could curcumin actually be causing this? The first thing I say to that is I never rule out anything anymore. It is uncommon. I personally have used curcumin hundreds and hundreds of times and never seen that be the case. Again, I've seen lots of cases of hepatitis or liver inflammation reduced by curcumin, but never caused by that. Still, having said that, I've seen many strange and bizarre reactions to things over the years. So I never rule out that it is possible in a small percentage of people, possibly with some sort of genetic mutations or other issues going on. Is it possible that curcumin could cause hepatitis? Sure. The second would be, and I'd be very interested to know, to get those samples of curcumin tested. Are there some other solvents or chemicals or other things that are in there along with the curcumin, and that's what's actually responsible for the hepatitis? And I would say there's a good chance that that could be the case. So, if you're taking curcumin, do you need to be worried that you're giving yourself hepatitis? No. Of course, this is why having a good doctor on your side, checking those things. Of course, if you start any supplement or medication and then strange things, new symptoms or bad things or just bizarre things are happening, of course, check with your doctor. And if it's not, you're not taking that supplement or that medication for life for reasons where life and limb are at risk, then I would stop that medication, talk to your, or supplement, talk to your doctor and get things checked out. But by and large, is curcumin something you should be worried about? The answer is no. So whether it's digestive issues, autoimmunity, or a whole host of other things, curcumin can be a powerful and helpful medicine. Speaking of digestive issues and autoimmunity, if that's something you or a loved one are dealing with, let's chat. Let's have a conversation, see if we might be the right fit to help you out. It is not a sales call. It's an opportunity to chat, find out more about what's going on for you. If we're the right fit, we'll talk about next steps. If we're not, we will do our best to connect you with someone else. All right, folks, digestive or autoimmune issues, give us a call. Otherwise, I'll talk to you soon. Dr. Gerstmar from Aspire Natural Health. Until next time, folks, take care.